Hell yeah. Alright, well it's been 2 years since I've actually made a moto vlog, or whatever you want to call it. Fortunately, my original Honda was wrecked, and the Suzuki that was on the channel for a while, I sold. So, been wanting another bike for a while. I pulled this one out of a guy's garage 3 days ago. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's been sitting for about, oh, I don't know, better part of 20 years. Early 2000s is what he told him. He said he bought the bike for his dad in the 90s. Surprised him with it. Drove it for a bunch of years and then parked it in the garage. I've literally been restoring chrome and cleaning and looking and just seeing what is going on with this bike to get it up and running. It's in great shape, minus some obvious flaws. Tires will have to be done. Every single one of the cables is just pretty much toast. Obviously, it's not good. Need a new battery. I believe the ignition points need to be swapped out. Probably gonna go electronic. But yeah, gonna get some new content up on the web site or YouTube channel, whatever you want to call it. Get some actual shit going. All right, so I've cleaned the other side, as you can see how shiny it is. There's still a lot of rust and corrosion. Some of the spokes are really rusty. So, just gonna use a drill, the brush attachment on it. All right, so the first step today, for me at least, while I'm waiting for parts to come in, is just really get this bike sorted, get it cleaned up, make it look nice. And as you can see, we're gonna be doing some real tedious work here. The tedious of it all, the most tedious of it all, and that's removing rust, cleaning and polishing. Basically, use this DeWalt 20-volt drill with the attachment on it, and basically keep in mind I'm doing this one-handed while I'm filming. You know, already starting to get there, so I'm gonna do the whole tire and get back to you guys when I'm done. All right, now I'm gonna explain how I get the spokes nice and clean. So you can see there's some, come on, focus. This one's clean, but the one in the background over here, that one, I'm gonna show you how I get in between all of these. This is the same rim I just showed you just a second ago. Come on, focus. Just with a little bit of Dremel work and the brush. You see, the big brush won't get in between there. This one, this guy. So we use the little mini one, the Dremel. You can get these little attachments at Harbor Freight for less than like $6 for a whole box of them. It's hard to film in here. Yeah. Little update. looking mucho better. Basically, after I took the Dremel and the drill with that brush, I took this stuff, swirl and scratch remover. And basically, you just rub it on, and then you polish, just like anything. Polish and polish. You keep rubbing and keep rubbing. And it took these really shitty rims and it made them look nice and shiny. The thing about this is polish doesn't ever get rid of rust or pitting. Spokes are probably always going to be a little rusty. I'm going to do my best to polish them up, get them all rust free. But it does not remove pitting, so if you're trying to remove pitting, unfortunately it won't. As you can see, you can shine all you want, but the pitting won't ever go away unless you re-chrome it. But it's gonna get as good as it's gonna get for a stock old bike.